All right, hey everybody, we're live from the Blueprint Lounge on the floor of Data and AI Summit 2025, and we're sitting down with Tony Clark. Tony's an OG of Databricks, one of the, what number employee were you?
89, if I recall.
89, yeah. So we've been working with Tony for a long time. He's now Databricks alumni and on to his next big thing. So do you want to tell about Windsurf and what's the next big thing for you?
Yeah, absolutely. Thanks, Ryan. So yeah, I joined a startup called Windsurf a few months ago, and we have an agentic IDE or an agentic coding assistant. So, moving agents and large language models into the hands of developers to increase developer productivity. And yeah, it's good to be here, Ryan.
That's awesome. So you've been around the conference, you've been connecting with a bunch of alumni and seeing some of your old friends. What's the coolest tech that you're seeing out here, other than Windsurf, of course?
Windsurf, of course, the coolest tech, man. But yeah, a lot of amazing stuff, like Sigma's another one. So, before my time at Databricks, I was with Tableau for 4 years.
Yeah.
One of their early employees. So seeing what Sigma's doing in terms of business intelligence, love it. So yeah.
That's cool. I love you telegraph, because we're going to be announcing our partnership with Sigma as well as our now partnership with Windsurf.
I swear I didn't know that ahead of time.
That's awesome. Yeah. That's awesome. That's great. Well, cool. Tell everybody what Windsurf is going to be doing to change the face of AI and data over the next 2-4 years.
Yeah, so Windsurf and tools like it are going to change everything around how developers write code. For me, I was, like you said, at Databricks for almost 9 years, and had this moment about 4 months ago. I downloaded Windsurf, tried it myself, and my jaw just hit the ground. I mean, it was just blown away at, like, this is going to change everything. So, you put this in the hands of a developer, and like what we're seeing is it increases their productivity 2 to 4x. So it's really like having a pair programmer, right? You're a junior developer, you have 2 or 3 junior developers sitting side by side, right? You're a senior developer, you have 2 to 3 senior developers. So it's changing everything, and then what's happening from here is these agents will move from the developer actually into the source code management system, right? And this is kind of the next wave. So awesome. It feels like we're at its infancy, and it's just, it's super exciting. Yeah.
Super cool.
It's amazing.
Yeah, it's where everything's going, as far as like, you're saying Windsurf automates the ability for coders to be able to actually develop these agents and manage the agents along the way?
Yep, 100%. And really what brought me back to Blueprint, like where I think there's, because it's been 9 years, I remember walking into your office in Bellevue and talking to you about Databricks. Where I think it's headed here is, okay, we have these agents operating in the source code, in the developer environment. How do we govern all these, right? And I think this is a huge area for system integrators, for Blueprint in particular. You guys have done a bunch of work here already.
Yep.
To say, essentially we have, hundreds, thousands of autonomous agents going out and doing work. How do we actually create governance over these? And so I think it's a huge opportunity for this partnership. That's why I approached you again, and
love it.
We got this inked. And
I love it. Appreciate it.
Yeah,
well, cool. We're super excited about the partnership. Blueprint Technologies with Windsurf. Tony Clark, thanks for stopping by.
Yeah, thank you, Ryan. Good to see you.
Appreciate it.
Yeah.